Hello everyone, and moving forward, drawing a line which is a big one and will create a leaf of the line which looks really awesome and looks like a feather. We'll then follow the steps accordingly to make these big leaves which are of wheat, and then we'll create a bug or two in the background. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this easy looking cute cartoon. We'll first draw this drawing with the help of a pencil, and then we'll add a marker on the pencil to darken this drawing. After completing this drawing of these cute cartoons, we'll add some colors to it who are dancing on these pieces of leaves, and then we'll follow the steps accordingly to complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make these easy drawings of these plants who has beautiful leaves. As you can see and learn, we'll again take the use of some crayons to make this one. We'll use this in a really easy manner to complete this one, and then we'll use the help of some earbuds to spread the background or the end part of these leaves, which looks really beautiful. We'll again add some crayons in the below part. Moving forward to the next one, in which for the beginning we have taken a big piece of paper to create the land, and then we'll add some clay which are molded into some shapes to make this beautiful snail which looks really awesome, and then we'll add some more similars to complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll use some papers which are in heart shape and follow the steps accordingly to make this one, which is a really beautiful drawing or art of this really beautiful looking butterfly who has different shaped wings, which looks really beautiful and colorful. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll learn how to make this easy one by following the steps as shown. We'll first take some papers which are just cutted in the shapes of these leaves and branches, and then we'll start by adding some clay balls which are in circular shape to make these grapes which looks really beautiful and awesome. We'll take some clay which are in blue color and make these trees of these grapes which looks really awesome and beautiful. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are again taking some use of this clay to make these small and beautiful looking hearts which looks really awesome, and after that we'll follow the steps to make the leaves with the help of this clay. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are firstly taking some crayons and drawing some straight lines, and then we'll follow the steps accordingly to make this one. We'll help the use of the clay. We'll create some small circular shaped balls of clay, and then we'll complete it by placing them into the plant, and then we'll add some bees who are flying in the air. Thank you for watching the video.